Navigating troubled waters. Understanding, get in hot water. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll dive into the intriguing world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, get in hot water. Understanding idioms like this can not only spice up your language but also help you comprehend English conversations and media more deeply. So, let's get started and find out what it means to get in hot water, and how you can use this expression in your daily life. When someone says they're in hot water, they're not talking about preparing a bath or making a cup of tea. This phrase is a classic English idiom, and understanding it requires looking beyond the literal meanings of hot and water. To get in hot water means to find yourself in trouble or a difficult situation, often due to something you've done. It's like accidentally stepping into a bath that's too hot. Suddenly, you're in an uncomfortable position. The idiom, get in hot water, has an interesting history, believed to date back centuries. Some say it relates to the ancient practice of boiling offenders as punishment, though this is more folklore than fact. A more likely explanation ties to the domestic mishaps of overheating water for household chores, a minor, yet relatable, trouble. Regardless of its origins, this phrase has simmered into common usage, perfectly capturing the feeling of finding oneself in an unexpectedly troublesome situation. Now, let's see how to use get in hot water in everyday conversation. 1. After cheating on the exam, Jenny really got herself in hot water with the school principal. 2. I was in hot water when I forgot my wife's birthday. 3. He's going to be in hot water if he keeps arriving late to work. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to describe the consequences of an action leading to trouble or discomfort. To ensure you remember and correctly use get in hot water, associate the phrase with the feeling of encountering sudden trouble or discomfort. Much like stepping into a bath that's too hot. Remember, idioms are the seasoning of language, adding flavor and color to our conversations. So, don't hesitate to sprinkle them into your dialogues. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, get in hot water. We hope this lesson helps you navigate the fascinating seas of English idioms more confidently. Remember, understanding and using phrases like this can truly enrich your language skills and help you connect with English speakers more naturally. Until next time, keep practicing and stay out of hot water.